Submerged in oil, the oil pump delivers a protected layer to the engine's moving parts. So, how do you know it's working? Do this 3-step check. First, at startup, the oil pressure warning light must go off. If it's on, shut the engine down. Second, check your oil on the dipstick. If you see black sludge, metal, or milky color, change it and investigate the cause immediately. Third, listen for a rhythmic ticking noise from the engine. If you heard it, stop and investigate. To avoid damage, replace clogged filters. Always keep enough oil and never miss an oil change. For a pump you can trust, go with Songlin. Follow for more auto tips.